Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP numbers section. This is multiplication and division. PHP also gives us operators for performing multiplication and division. We have echo 2 times 3 would print 6. Echo negative 21 divided by 7 would print negative 3. Like with addition and subtraction, when we perform multiplication or division, the computer will return an integer whenever the operation evaluates to a whole number. The reverse is also true. We have num cookies is assigned 24, num friends is assigned 7. We then do cookies per friend and assign to it num cookies divided by num friends. When we echo cookies per friend, it would print 3.428, etc. In the code above, we performed an operation on two integers that didn't divide into each other evenly, so the computer returned a floating point number. Let's multiply and divide. Our instructions say Meg is trying to figure out how long on average it takes her to learn a programming language. So far she knows Ruby, Python, JavaScript, and C++. Create a variable num languages and assign to it the number of programming languages she has learned. Create a second variable month and assign 11 to it, which is the number of months she spent learning how to code. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass. 2 says, let's get more precise. Meg realizes that she hasn't quite studied every day. Create a variable days and assign as its value the result of multiplying months by the number of days per month she thinks she actually spent studying, which is 16 days each month. Let's do that here. Run that. We do pass. 3 says, let's figure out on average how many days it took her to learn each language. Assign the result of this operation to a variable, days per language. Let's do that here. Run that. We do pass. 4 says, print your days per language variable to the terminal. Let's do that here. Run that. We do pass, and we get 44 days per language. So what we're learning here is more operators, multiplication and division, and we see we're able to do similar functionality as addition and subtraction when dealing with variables, as long as you're understanding that you can apply variables in your multiplication and division operations, then you're understanding this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.